right? Welcome to the zoo.
What'd you find?
Paddles!
Alexi, where's our snow fort?
It melted. I think that's too bad for winter.
That's too bad for winter.
Let's go up and down, dump, up and down, and muddy puddles.
You want to go jump up and down in muddy puddles?
Yeah.
Are muddy puddles something that we see in the winter time?
No, why?
Because everything was frozen, we had lots of snow. Why do you see muddy puddles now?
Because it's melting.
It's melting. What season is it?
Spring.
Spring.
There's poop in here. Don't step in the dog poop.
Don't step in the dog poop.
Zoe's shaking it up.
Why do we see so many poops everywhere, Alexi?
Because some people take their dogs for a walk and then their dogs poop.
Yeah, and then if they take their dogs for a walk all winter,
Yeah.
what happens when the snow melts? Do we see lots of poops?
Yeah.
So are dog poops another sign of spring?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah. Whoa!
What are you looking at?
The water!
The water's flooded the woods. Sometimes we get flooding in the spring with all the snow that's melting, the snow and ice, and then the rivers rise, the level of the river rises, and sometimes the water goes over the banks of the river and into the woods in different areas.
Whoa.
And that's called flooding.
Yeah, flood.
That's a flood.
Yeah.
Is that another sign of spring?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. It's amazing!
The river's up really high and it's moving very fast. Alexi, is that dangerous?
Yeah.
Oh, Alexi, look!
Yeah.
Another sign of spring. What are those?
The geese.
Are those Canada geese?
Yeah.
Are they coming back north?
Yeah.
They've been gone all winter and they're coming back.
Hi, geese.
Hi, geese. Welcome home.
Welcome home to Canada.
Yay!
Yay!
They come home. Do you see how the water is actually going over the land over there?
Over here.
Yeah, see where those trees are, the little shrubs? And the water's risen up so high and it's going right over that area, that little, the banks.
The bank.
Yeah, we're on a riverbank right now, and look, the water's up over the riverbank over there. Daddy used to play with these when he was a kid. Look at this.
Yeah. I don't.
I don't know what they're called. Look, little smoke puffs though. Look, poof, 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 poof. You see? I think that's all little seeds inside. And then when an animal steps on it,
Yeah.
it makes all that smoke come out, but it's just tiny little seeds, I think. Alexi, are those things that we would see in the wintertime?
No.
No. Why not?
Because they fall snow.
Because they were under all the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much snow did we get this year?
Tons.
Tons of snow. Look, Alexi.
Yeah.
Some of these things that fell in the fall with the little seeds, now that it's spring, these little seeds can start to grow. Good saw, Alexi. Hey, Zoe, look. Another sign of spring. These are called pussy willows. Yeah, those are pussy willows. Look at these ones.
Wow.
Those are a lot bigger. Alexi, what are those?
Pissy willow.
Pussy willows. And did you touch them?
Yeah.
What do they feel like?
They feel fluffy.
They feel super fluffy, eh? Oh, Zoe wants to touch them. And then you know what's gonna come out after those pussy willows? No, we're gonna start to see leaves on those trees. Those pussy willows will turn into leaves.
Yeah.
And then we'll have leaves on those trees. Alexi, I'm so glad we found some pussy willows.
Oh yeah, we did.
That's one of Daddy's favorite signs of spring from when he was a kid. Alexi, listen to that.
Birds.
You hear birds?
Yeah.
Did we hear birds this winter, Alexi?
No.
Why not?
Because they're out in a different country.
They went to a different country, some of them, eh? A lot of them did. And are they coming back now?
They're coming back now.
They're coming back now. That's cool, eh? So we get to have them for a few months. Are birds your favorite?
Yeah. I have flamingos back.
Are the flamingos coming back to Canada?
No.
We don't have flamingos here, eh?
No.
But we have geese.
Yeah, deep.
Do you hear some more geese coming?
Yeah!
Where? Point.
Up there.
And they fly in a V.
Why are they flying north?
They're flying north because they were south. They were south all winter, so now they're coming back north again. They're coming back to Canada.
Yeah. There's the signs of spring in your area. You have to comment.
Those are dead flowers from last year, Lexi,
Why are they dead?
because the winter came.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get new flowers? So these are hydrangeas. They're gonna start to grow this spring, later this spring.
Yeah, I'm going to smell them. They smell kind of old.
So you're gonna smell the new ones when they grow?
Yeah. Bye, bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, bye.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!